Now, virtual assistants at an affordable price of €5 an hour. Please contact us. Thank you.
Welcome to www.bestremoteworkers.com. A complete guide to federal, state, and local taxes in the U.S. In the United States, taxes are collected at the federal, state, and local levels, and they come in various forms. The main types include income taxes, federal, most state, and some local, payroll taxes, for Social Security and Medicare, and corporate taxes on business profits. Sales taxes are imposed by most states and many local governments on goods and some services, while property taxes are levied by local governments based on real estate value. Capital gains taxes apply to profits from selling assets like stocks or property, and estate or inheritance taxes may apply to large estates at the federal or state level. Excise taxes target specific goods like fuel, tobacco, and alcohol, and tariffs are collected on imported goods. Self-employed individuals also pay self-employment tax to cover Social Security and Medicare contributions. Each type of tax helps fund different public services and government functions. Federal tax processing: how the IRS handles your return. Once you file your federal tax return, either electronically or by mail, the IRS begins the tax processing cycle by first confirming receipt of your return. Electronic filings are typically acknowledged within 24 to 48 hours, while paper returns may take several weeks to enter the system. The IRS then verifies your information for accuracy, checks for errors or missing details, and runs identity and fraud checks to prevent scams. Next, it matches your reported income with data from employers, banks, and other institutions. If everything checks out, the IRS calculates whether you owe additional taxes or are due a refund. Refunds are usually issued within 21 days for e-filed returns with direct deposit, while paper filings can take much longer. If you owe taxes, the IRS applies any payments and may offer payment plans. In some cases, the IRS may follow up with notices, audits, or requests for further documentation if there are discrepancies or red flags.